Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to change your bio on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to change your bio in Roblox profile, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To change your bio on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Profile. On your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now, scroll down to the About section. Here, you will see your current bio, or it may be empty if you haven't set one yet. Tap on the Edit icon next to say something under the About section. A text box will open where you can write or edit your bio. Type the text you want to display on your Roblox profile. After entering your bio, tap the Save button. Your updated bio will now appear on your Roblox profile, and other players will be able to see it.